Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to create a resume on Canva. Let's get started. Firstly, when we are here on our Canva account, we can notice the different templates that we can use, such as for educational presentation, infographics, headers for our posting on our different social media account. So one good thing, if we do have a premium account, then it would mean that we do have a variety of options in terms of those designed. However, if we don't have a premium account, that means that we do have limited access on the templates, elements, and the like. So with that, since we do have a premium account, then it would be easier for us to create one. So in order for us to create a resume, the first thing that we are going to do is to go to the search icon, and basically we need to type in resume and hit enter. So once we are routed on this part, basically we will be routed to the different templates or kinds of resume that is available at hand. So what we can do then is to scroll down and basically look for the perfect template that we can use in order for us to modify or input our information. So just like for example, if we're going to choose this one, so we're going to click that. And basically, we notice here we have the option to customize this template. So we're going to click this one so that we can input the necessary information in relation to ourselves. So once we're here, so we can notice that each part of this resume is something that we can edit. So by this time, in order for us to edit this one, just like for example, this picture, we're just going to delete or click backspace. And basically, we can go ahead to upload, wherein we can upload the picture or the image that we can use on our resume. So just like for example, I'm just going to choose any photo that is available. So just like for example, this one. So please do take note that if we are going to create our resume, we need to input an image that is formal. But then for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use that image. So with that, we can click this one and basically edit that in relation to our name. So just like for example, we have here Sam Smith and also our position or our profession. So we can edit this one as well. So just like that. And in terms of professional summary, so you can edit this one and input your information and your core competencies, your education, your experience, awards, contact number, and the languages that you can speak with. So with that, we can also add page if the first page couldn't cater all the necessary information with your resume. So technically, everything can be modified. So in terms of the text style, the font style, and so on. So please do take note on the left part of our screen, we have here the text. So we have here some elements as well that we can use on our resume, and we can upload, we can draw, and so on. So once everything is done, then we can go ahead and click share. And below that, we can notice download, and we can choose PDF standard and click download. So basically it is now downloading. So we now have the resume that we made in Canva. So there you have it. That's how we are going to create a resume on Canva. So with that, it only goes to show that as we create our resume on Canva, it will now matter on our creativity and of course on our style. So we can play around on the Canva so that we can create the best resume that really fits us. So there you have it. That's how we are going to create a resume on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.